Hello, welcome to the channel. I'm Mark at Mark's Upholstery. In this video, I'm going to show you how I put a vinyl on a round stool.
I'm going to start by stay tacking the four corners. It doesn't matter what you consider the four corners. I'm going to go back and pull the staples one by one and start pulling down these corners a little tighter. I'm now going to soften in between the four corners with a heat gun. I'm going to now pull down from the center and start stapling. Notice how I'm going to pull down and then slightly towards the staples to try without leaving a pucker, and keep stretching it down that way.
Now this top is going to get nails, so what I'm going to do is come around and cut about 1.1 inch and a quarter off all the way around this, and that's going to be depending on how thick your fabric is. Sometimes you may need to do 1.5 inches, sometimes you may just do 1 inch. This is fairly thin, but I want to get it and do about 1 inch and about 1.1 inch and a quarter to have plenty of turn back. And what I'm going to do with this is turn it under and staple it, and it's going to work as a gimp for my nails. I've now got this stool ready for nails.